Esta es la profundización arquitectónica sobre la adopción digital de esta semana, donde vamos más allá de los titulares para examinar los patrones arquitectónicos que están dando forma a la transformación digital. Este episodio se centra en los desafíos de la integración de IA en el dominio organizacional y cómo está generando estrés en la inteligencia artificial y la ciberseguridad. Soy el Dr. Darren. Vamos a entrar en el análisis. The intersection of AI and organizational structures brings several challenges. It's crucial to maintain authenticity and spiritual engagements when introducing AI. We also face ethical dilemmas that need clear guidelines for responsible use. Rigid organizational designs can hinder effective digital transformation. This resistance can slow down productivity and community outreach. You may notice these inconsistencies in your own projects. Change management struggles often make these challenges worse. As leaders, your focus should shift toward adaptable frameworks and training programs. Addressing these issues now will help your organization thrive in a changing landscape. Organizations are facing real challenges with AI integration. Major telecommunications companies are reevaluating how they use AI this week. They're highlighting issues of authenticity in their engagements. This complicates ethical frameworks and slows down decision-making in AI policy. For your team, it means establishing clear compliance boundaries is tougher. You might think it's just a tooling issue, but it's not a capability failure, it's a decision failure. Decision rights are now less clear, complicating accountability and responsiveness. Resistance to change is evident, stalling progress in AI training initiatives. As leaders, you need to encourage openness in tackling these challenges. Organizations must adapt their outreach strategies to stay relevant and effective. This adaptability creates a fluid operating cadence among your teams. But speed without clarity around control objectives can quickly become chaotic. This is an organizational challenge. It impacts critical areas like decision-making, compliance, and operations. First, lack of clarity in decision rights delays approvals. Organizations need to define who makes key decisions about AI integration. Second, unclear ethical guidelines create confusion. When compliance boundaries aren't set, teams find it hard to use AI responsibly. Third, rigid organizational structures limit responsiveness. This inflexibility slows down initiatives and hinders AI training programs. When organizations fail to adapt, it affects their overall mission execution. For example, if a telecommunications company doesn't define outreach strategies, community engagement suffers. This misalignment shows how poor governance can reduce relevance and effectiveness. Your mission relies on collaboration and agile decision-making. Leaders must foster environments that enable quick strategic shifts. By tackling these organizational issues, you can create a culture that embraces AI technology while prioritizing ethical practices. This approach not only sustains momentum, but also helps your organization evolve beyond just using tools. Leaders are facing a major challenge with AI integration. Many organizations struggle with the legitimacy of their AI technologies. Recent events showed backlash when AI applications lack true human engagement. This highlights the need for real connections with your audience. You might assume this is just a tech issue, but it's really a decision-making failure. Ignoring this could erode trust and weaken engagement. Unclear strategies can lead to confusion, complicating team communication. This creates strain in both organizational and strategic areas. Teams are grappling with challenges related to decision rights and compliance. Leadership feels urgent pressure to act, yet responsible alignment in strategies often slips through the cracks. The key takeaway is that while teams optimize AI, poor human interaction remains the limiting factor. If decision rights in AI projects aren't clear, trust diminishes. Genuine engagement becomes harder to rebuild. To stabilize operations, setting clear compliance boundaries is crucial. This ensures ethical AI practices align with your organizational values. By doing so, you create a solid foundation for lasting transformation amid technological changes. Organizational stress is showing up in cybersecurity strategies. Recently, experts warned about the growing risks of advanced AI technologies. As AI evolves, so do its security threats. This means your team must urgently update security measures to address these risks effectively. You might see this as just a technology issue, but the real challenge is failing to decide on necessary framework updates. Ignoring these updates can leave you vulnerable to complex cyber threats. This places pressure on both strategic and digital aspects of your organization. As companies focus on deploying communication technologies, cybersecurity often gets sidelined. Without timely decisions on updates, organizational defenses weaken. To stabilize this situation, you must establish clear compliance boundaries. This ensures security frameworks adapt alongside technological advancements. It's essential for creating a comprehensive approach to protect against emerging risks while upholding trust and safety in digital environments. Organizational stress shows up in edge computing applications. Recently, a major initiative across industries spotlighted edge computing's benefits. It significantly reduced response times. This highlights the need for your team to respond to data immediately. You might see this as a technology challenge, but the core issue is unclear decision-making rights on technology use. If these rights aren't defined, operational efficiency suffers, causing delays. Tension builds in both strategic and digital areas. This makes it harder to align with organizational goals. What's surprising? Many focus on technology deployment, while the real challenge is clarifying decision-making authority. Without clarity, teams risk operational inefficiencies before effective integration happens. To address this, implementing a reference architecture for edge computing is crucial. It helps promote alignment and consistency across initiatives. We often see a trade-off between speed and assurance when integrating AI. The issue of capability without decision rights adds complexity here. This challenge appears in different areas. You'll find it in AI governance delays and unclear roles in telecommunications projects. While you may focus on the technology itself, it's crucial to recognize the importance of decision-making. Uncertainty about who holds authority can disrupt efforts to achieve strategic goals. For your portfolio, clarifying decision rights is vital. It ensures you can implement AI effectively while maintaining ethical standards. Architects typically address decision rights first. This approach creates a supportive environment where AI technologies can flourish, striking a balance between innovation and integrity. 3 key choices emerge for leaders navigating AI. First, clarify decision rights around AI implementation. Without this clarity, confusion and authority may persist. When leaders are clear, it enhances alignment with ethical standards and strategic goals. Second, adopt cohesive guidelines for ethical AI practices. Failing to do so can lead to inconsistent applications across the organization. A unified approach builds trust and integrity within your team. Lastly, invest in tailored training for AI tools. If you don't, workforce skills risk stagnation. Investing in training boosts productivity and drives successful technology integration. For your team, making these decisions swiftly is essential. These choices lay the foundation for your organization's adaptability in a technology-driven environment. The pattern is clear. Clarity around decision rights is crucial for tackling AI integration challenges. Architects are key in establishing alignment and compliance boundaries. Think back to the telecom initiative that stalled due to unclear authority. This highlights the importance of defining ownership of decisions for your team. Next week, we'll dive deeper into AI's impact on organizations. Eso concluye el análisis arquitectónico de esta semana. Si disfrutaste de este episodio, por favor danos 5 estrellas en tu plataforma favorita o en YouTube. Y si quieres ir más allá, únete a nuestra comunidad en Patreon buscando Embracing Digital. Hasta la próxima, soy el Dr. Darren. Sigue haciendo preguntas difíciles y sigue abrazando la revolución digital.